Okay, this trade looks good to take. So, but what I want to do right now is actually wait because this is look. It broke. Wait, one, two. So this is a good level, a quality level. So I cannot just sell yet. I need to wait. I'm gonna wait for the market to come and retest the EMA. Let's see if it does. If not, we're gonna wait for if this one goes bullish, if the next one goes bearish, I'm gonna sell, but not yet. Not yet. How did I do this trade? So if we go from here, we have this closure right there. That's a key level. So I grab my Fibonacci is 1.8 to point V, negative to 1.8. I got that yellow line. So as we can see, we have a closure above and a closure below. So this is a consolidation range, but within that consolidation range, we have 1, 2, 3, which creates a that pattern. Quality level. So as you can see, I just enter right here whenever the market reached the same level, right? But the best confirmation would have been this candle here for this entry. Right there. That would have been my best entry. It just had my stop loss a little bit about there. This is called reversal candle. And we still would have got our 1-to-1 back to the level here, right? That it broke. Now we have 1.8 to point B, negative 61.8, playing accordingly. 605. It's 5. Boom, right there. Magic happened, right? So now I go to the other side, so I can extend this level and go from here to here. Negative 61.8, 95, 9, 7, 95, 795. And that's this is the magician, and this one should be the magician, but it was the continuation. So buy from here, sell from here, buy from here, sell from there. Now we are over here. What do we have, right? The market has reached strong level. Is this a double top? That's the question. The market's about to close. So, and we are actually in an uptrend. See this? Point A to point B, right? A double bottom at a bullish trend. So, like I said, I'm gonna follow the rules, and I'm gonna buy here as soon as this one closes because this is a fast breakout. So let's see. I would like to see a close above the EMA though. That'd be great. Okay, this is a buy. That level there. Then stop loss is going to be 17.80. Why am I changing the bias whenever I already know, whenever I wanted to sell? But now that I take everything into consideration, we have this pattern happening. And happen this. So this is divergent because we didn't create a wave to the upside. See this? So divergent. So this is one leg. One leg. And then we have another leg. Create a double bottom. And now it seems like we're gonna go to the upside. So let's see what happens. If it goes in this trade right now, it's not valid anymore. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go the other way. As soon as the market goes, I'm gonna place my position. This is going to be immediate execution, by the way. All right, my entry is here. Hey. That is my entry. Let me see, I'm recording this. And yes, I am recording. So my entry 58, 58, 58, 7, 7. That's my entry. I'm gonna have actually a 12 pip stop and 12 pip. All right, let's see what happens. 1-to-1. I'm pretty sure this one, if you start falling from here, we most likely gonna come back to this level here. So let's go for the 1.61. Stop loss 59, 970. And my target is going to be 56, 600. Okay, let's see what the market does. We have confluences. We have plenty of confluences for this market to continue to the downside. So plenty. We can see that using the 30 EMA as our trend momentum level of resistance. So that's good. So let's see. The first level that the market is going to reach is this one for sure. There's no stopping from here. If it closes below, there's no stopping to this level. So it may be just one push or a few push. We are going to wait and see. All right. So we can clearly see that this kind of closure retested that level again. And that was it. Now we are melting. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to move my stop loss at break even. And my job here is about to be done. The spreads are wild here. ETA. ETA 7. Okay. Stop loss, let's place a break even. We can see momentum is catching steam with this candle, telling you that the market still Has a lot of momentum to come top this level before it will creating a new high like that and continue to the downside. So we're still good. And yeah. So we are break free right now. So all we're gonna do is just wait for a market to keep closing down. I'm gonna come back whenever the trade is finished. What a beautiful play. Excellent. Excellent. Because I have a 2 pip spread, I'm going to close my trade here. Half a percent in. Why didn't let me like create a bigger lot size? So good. So the trade is already closed. Let me see. But we know that the market still has momentum to the downside. Beautiful play, and that's it for today. So, so let's review what happens before we hit the market. All right, we are still in a downtrend. As we can see, we have the daily high and the daily low, right? So we know that we are in a bearish market since this level over here, right? So that's my last level of structure. So I know for a fact that this break here initiated the momentum to the upside. All right, let me see. Here we have here, then here, here. The market continued to the upside, created a new higher high, came back, and continued to the downside. See that? Changing the structure to the downside. Also, I had another confluence, which was the 50% plus minus of the of the daily candle. So after that, I just went down to my structure and I follow it. Since I understand how the market moves, I knew for a fact that if the market begins to come back to this level, it was going to break it. It was going to break. This was my first confirmation. This one gave me an opportunity to look for a buy in case I was wrong. As soon as this candle closed, we closed the trade, and then we switch the bias quick because we understood what was happening and shorter as the market retested back the EMA. So for the next time, if we see a pattern like that happen again, if we are below the EMA, do not buy this level. Do not buy it because the EMA is going to confirm if this is a true double bottom or not. According to here, it's not by the closure of this one as well. So that was good. That was a good trade. Well played. Well played. No drawdown. And that's it. Bye for now.